What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today we're finna be replacing the oil pressure sensor on my sister's XJ6. It's common for the factory oil pressure sensor to fail on the AJ16 engines. What happens is it starts giving an inaccurate reading. Either the needle will fluctuate or it will read 0 and the oil pressure light will illuminate. You shouldn't be driving with low oil pressure, you risk the chance of damaging your engine, but most of the time it's just a faulty sensor. So let's switch it. Engage the emergency parking brake. Lift the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. Place a 2x4 on the floor jack to protect the frame. If you look at the engine from the front, on the right side about halfway down, the oil pressure sensor is screwed into the engine block right next to the oil filter. Disconnect the wiring harness. Unscrew the oil pressure sensor using a 22mm socket, 3-inch extension, 1/2-inch ratchet, and for more leverage I used an open wrench. Before completely removing the sensor, make sure you have the replacement sensor ready to be installed because oil will spill from here. The new oil pressure sensor has been modified with an inline resistor that converts the sensor from a transducer to a switch. Both types measure pressure, but a transducer has a continuous output that monitors and responds to the oil pressure. A pressure switch is a simple device that responds like a light switch. Like a light switch, it has an on and off function. Apply some red high temperature thread sealant and torque to 8 to 9 foot-pounds, or until it's snugged. Check the oil level, add more if it's needed. Start the Jag and check for leaks. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you personally want to support this channel, there's a donation link in the video description. That was my sister, she gotta go. All donations will be used for tools, parts, and more video equipment to give you guys more videos. Thanks for watching you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.